Hi. If you own or drive a truck in Jamaica, you need to watch this video. If you own or ship goods out of a warehouse in Jamaica, you need to watch this video. On second thought, everyone who ever had a need or use of a truck in Jamaica need to watch this video. Allow me to introduce the future of Jamaican trucking. The transportation industry in Jamaica has seen significant changes over the last few years. With the addition of major thoroughfares connecting cities and towns across the island. Still, with all the new upgrades to our logistics infrastructure, the average Jamaican haulage contractor is still operating their equipment inefficiently, by running loaded one way and returning empty. Hashtag no empty trucks. Empty me. Eating my profits taken yesterday. Nuff Loads is the first online platform that provides navigational assistance and freight matching services for the trucking industry in Jamaica. Nuff Loads is a trip planning companion for truck drivers. It improves truckers' lives by reducing the frustrations of unproductive days. Nuff Loads recognize the needs of the trucking industry, and truckers themselves as our company bring the latest technology into the transportation space. Our goal is simple: keep every truck loaded. It's as simple as downloading the app. Search for loads, post your trucks for shippers to see. The app is basic and designed to be simple to operate. Search for loads or trucks in any city or in any parish. Haulage contractor, drivers. Gone are the days when you sit in your truck waiting for a load. Hashtag no empty truck. Shippers, companies. Access our app and search for available trucks in your area. Whether you have a full warehouse or just need to relocate your furniture, you can find a truck to suit your needs. Nuff Loads app was designed with owner-operator needs in mind. We've made it to solve the needs of truck drivers, companies, and the everyday individuals whose needs are as simple as relocating. It's easy to use, fast, and mobile. Download our app and start trucking today. Welcome to the future of Jamaican trucking. Check out our website at nuffloads.com for more information.